Are you looking for the best quiet mechanical keyboards in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best quiet mechanical keyboards that are available on the market. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. HyperX Alloy Core RGB. The RGB LED integrated into the keyboard makes the keys glow with a rainbow lighting effect. The unexpected spills of beverages will not diminish the stunning radiance of the keyboard as it is spill-resistant. The keys are quiet when tapped, and they operate silently using the soft keys. Anti-ghosting technology used while playing games, which helps you to be able to press more keys within less time, registering all the keys separately and quickly. The spill-resistant property of the keyboard can withstand 120 milliliters of accidental liquid spills. RGB LED backlit keyboard has 6 effect options to choose and make your keyboard look stylish from time to time. The reinforced plastic allows this keyboard to be lightweight in comparison to the mechanical keyboards. Signature light bar and dynamic RGB lighting effects so you can personalize your battle station and bring it to life with 6 preset LED lighting effects. Number 4. Corsair Strafe RGB MK.2 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The gold contact switches with mechanical keys using Cherry MX technology deliver high performance, providing ultimate advantage while gaming. The RGB LED lighting allows the backlit keyboard to display rainbow colors, making it an exciting and useful model to identify the switches quickly. Your gaming profile of customized lighting effects stored on the 8 MB storage provided on the board. The number of customizations is unlimited, as you can create any number of the impact and save them. Cherry Mix RGB mechanical key switches with gold contacts deliver the ultimate performance and competitive advantage of mechanical keys. 8 MB onboard profile storage with lighting and hardware macro playback to take your gaming profiles with you. Number 3. SteelSeries Apex 3 RGB Gaming Keyboard. Illuminated keyboard with tactile switches has a 10-zone RGB color schemes that produce gorgeous effects. The keyboard is IP32 classified water resistant and is safe from accidental water spills. It sounds as soft as a whisper as it has low friction during key presses. The ergonomic design of the keyboard contains a magnetic wrist rest supporting your full palm for comfort, separate multimedia switches for volume and settings. Magnetic wrist rest that rests your palm placed is required by either attaching or detaching it from the keyboard. The RGB LED lighting has 10-zone effect resulting in a vibrant backlit keyboard in rainbow colors. Number 2. Razer BlackWidow Elite Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The dedicated media keys on the Razer BlackWidow gaming keyboard are handy to access settings like volume. The magnetic wrist rest provides the much-needed support for clicking the yellow mechanical keys while you speed your way through the game. The Chroma RGB lighting and USB pass-through are the advanced features of this keyboard. Razer yellow switch technology beats competitor, Legacy. Speed keys in actuation distance by up to 20%, requiring 45 G of force. Ideal for fast-paced gaming requiring high-speed key presses. Razer HyperShift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Number 1. NPET K10 Gaming Keyboard USB Wired Floating Keyboard. The ultra-thin keyboard by NPET has a 55 plus or minus 7 G key elastic force, allowing you to apply less force for depressing a key and hence move faster between the keys. The 3.6 mm distance that key travel when pressed is an optimum distance among gaming keyboards. This keyboard has a life of 60 million keystrokes. Professional gaming keyboard. UV-coated keycaps and injection laser carving ABS keycaps design. The letter of characters never fade. Anti-sweat, prevents keycap damage, enhanced durability, and tactile feedback. Thick and firm stainless steel base plate, long service life, and never deforms. Metal and ABS construction make it more solid and reliable. NPET K10 gaming keyboard is more durable than the plastic keyboard. Your best keyboard choice. Colorful illuminated keyboard. 4 LED lighting backlit modes, breathing. 7 color alternate. 3 adjustable permanent mixed backlit modes, changeable breathing or permanent lighting mode. It can be great for playing the game at night even without light.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, Please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.